Hi everybody, welcome to Lori's Kitchen Creations. Well, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so I flew in my Valentine from Germany to help us put some recipes together. Everybody say hello to Tony. Welcome to America.
Hello, Tony. Oh, that's me.
Would you like to tell them what we're making tonight?
We are making strawberries of joy. Best stuff in the entire world. Okay,
so we're deep frying strawberries and chocolate in a waffle batter and then putting some powdered sugar on it, so it's a perfect decadence for Valentine's Day. Let's get cooking.
Okay.
Okay.
So we take the strawberry right here,
Maybe
like
put
this.
it in the other end.
Like this?
Where it's not open. So it'll stick, kind of.
All right.
And just
dip
roll
away.
it.
Wow, awesome. Oh, hey, what happened there?
It's a rookie move.
Yes, well, I'm a rookie.
You're doing great. You can just leave it in there so then when we deep fry them, we already have the sticks in them.
Awesome.
I'll help you.
Okay, thanks. Appreciate your help.
Anytime.
About time you're doing something around here.
So what brings you to Lori's Kitchen Creations, Tony?
Well, you know, I was out playing golf one day. No, I'm kidding. I thought I would come and visit Miss Lori and enjoy some time here in Arizona. To come from Germany and where it's nice and cold, and come here to Arizona where it's nice and beautiful. Warm. Ooh, man, it's nice here.
So did you come here for the golfs or the cookie?
Actually, I came here for the cooking, and then golf is just a bonus. Best chocolate dipped strawberries in the entire universe. There's nothing better than having something. Number one, strawberry. Number two, chocolate.
Alright, so we're going to stick these in the fridge for 30 minutes-ish.
It's getting close to sticking like it's supposed to. Because see, when you dip them in there, you want the batter to stick to it, and you can kind of tell it's not sticking a whole lot yet.
So you want more flour?
Yeah.
Woo! Bing, bang, bong, it's done.